I think the book does a pretty good job of talking about how to load a file in, and so forth. But I just want to talk about scripting. If I come up here to File and I choose New Script, let's create a script window. And let's say I bring in some values here. 1, 5, 9, 21, 33. Then here I can actually type my code. So like if I wanted to find the mean, then I would type this. Now if I save this, so I do a file save, it'll want to save it with a .r extension. That's fine. I'll call this test.r and click save. Now if I come up here and you see there how there's a run all. If I choose run all, then you can see that it goes ahead and runs those lines of code. And as I make more changes, like let's say I was trying to find standard deviation, but I didn't remember the code. If I did that and save it and run all, see, could not find the function. So it gives you a meaningful error message, but I do not have to type this in each time. Now I know when you type it in the console over here, it remembers it, so you don't necessarily have to do that. But you may find this kind of a convenient method. You should still know how to do it in the console, because according to the instructions for the final exam, console is what you're able to use on final. Yeah, let's see if I remember it. I think it's SD. Um, Come up here. There it is, SD. Okay, so that's how you can use the console to help write your programs and so forth without having to retype code over and over.